Adobe Experience Manager Assets makes it easy for anyone in your organization to discover and reuse existing content or create new variations at scale. Let's find out how. Experience Manager Assets centralizes all your content into a single source of truth. It's easy for users to get access, and there are no silos that slow productivity. Uploading content is easy. Admins can connect existing content sources, upload assets in bulk, schedule imports, or simply drag and drop assets from a desktop or drive. Rich metadata is applied to every asset you upload. Smart tags are automatically generated to capture details of the asset. You can even train smart tags to your brand, making them more intuitive over time. Content Hub is a user-friendly portal within Experience Manager Assets that lets agencies, partners, and anyone in your organization get content. No damn experience required. Users can create, share, and scale asset variations for campaigns, channels, and one-off personalization projects, all in minutes and always within your brand guidelines. Let's do a quick search for an asset in Content Hub. I'm going to look for mountain biking. As I'm typing, the assets are populating. You can narrow down your search through the filters here. Now let's modify this image to show only one cyclist and use GenAI to clean it up. First, I'm going to click on the cat icon to do some gen fill. Next, we're going to remove the cyclist. Let's brush out those shadows and then click Generate. You can add a logo and resize them from a list of preset options. You can also change the background, change the file type, access branded templates, and more. When you're done, save it back to the DAM or kick off the relevant workflow like reviews and approvals. Experience Manager Assets give users throughout the organization easy access to content within their preferred tools. As a web marketer, you can go into your web page, search for the right content, and pull it in. You can also search for assets within contextual search in the DAM using natural language queries like, I need images of mountain biking, which pulls up all associated files and filters. If the right asset isn't immediately available, you don't need to slow down or make another creative request or switch applications. You can generate the content you need in minutes using Adobe Firefly. Adobe Experience Manager Assets empowers your teams to optimize content, simplify management, and boost productivity. Now you can deliver more content experiences your customers expect.